Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create an Instagram reel in Canva. Creating dynamic content on Instagram has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface, crafting eye-catching reels is a breeze. Let's dive in. After search a template and you will see a range of templates here. You can go to the social media. Now you can see a lot of templates here for Instagram Reels. Browse through them and choose one that fits your style. Once you have chosen, like I have chosen this one, hit customize this template to enter Canvas editing mode. Here you can see it has been added to the editing mode. Now you can start customizing, change text. Here are the many options, then colors, images, or even add new elements to match your brand and message. If your reel includes video and it's too long, no worries. Click on the video here on the timeline and adjust its duration to fit Instagram's time limits. Now split your reel into sections. Click the three dots in the top right corner and you can even split it. After splitting, you can easily remove any unwanted sections if needed. Once you're happy with the final look, preview your reel to make sure everything flows. And that's it. You have successfully added your Instagram reel in Canva. Play around with different templates and styles to create something truly unique. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see the creative reels you come up with using Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.